Right now it's almost like 7 o'clock. It is a low tide, as you can see. Seriously, low tide. Look at that. Everybody doing Photoshop over there. Photo shoot. Smile. Look at that. You can take a good picture. Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, 23/12/2025, I am at Half Moon Beach, Olongapo City, Zambales. This whole vacation sponsored by my sister-in-law Peachy. I take this opportunity to thank her for the whole vacation. Right now it's 7:15 in the morning. This whole beach very calm and quiet, at the same time very clean also for the morning walk. My brother-in-law Barney and his family super friendly, and they are very into Facebook and social media. Because of that, they're taking photos and videos. It is really good for me. I can take a drone shot with them. Seriously, I had a great time and make a very good memory with them. Now the sun is coming out. Probably the footage will be nicer. Already 7:30 right now. We are going to have some breakfast. Everybody hungry right now. Look at the water. It's beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Nice. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, let's have some breakfast. So, Abby, what are you having? Chicken? Wow, fish fillet. This chicken sausage? Okay. Chicken hot dog. Garlic rice? Garlic rice. One. Can I have one egg? Thank you. How about some? Thank you. Then one sausage. Thank you. Right there. Okay. Looks good. Okay. We have an egg soup, fried fish, chicken sausage, and sunny setup, garlic rice, and bit of water like that. Everybody eating over here. For the inflatable island, you need to sign the waiver form. Then you have to put a safety gear like that. Wow, the water was so cold. Okay, I'm going to swim. Holding camera one hand, swimming is not that good idea. I'm trying my best. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. I need to hand over the camera.
I can catch that one.
It is still recording. Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
you can go today. You go first. You can find here.
Sa tali! Sa tali! Sa tali!
You can come here also. Wow. Yeah. This is how it is. Come on, hold this one. Hold it.
May hagdan.
Take a hand.
Hindi, Dante.
Hand. Hand. Okay. Good. You're here. Finally, Abby is here. You're here. Abby, let's go.
Hindi ko na mahawak!
Okay. Wow! Okay. Go, go. That is fun.
Nakakahinga. Wait. Catch it. Hi! Baka pagbayarin pa ako. Napakabigat. Mabuti hindi na baka. No. I put it high.
That's okay. It's waterproof.
Hindi na kaya. Gumuho ang pagoda.
Wow. So, the mission totally failed. He's the last man standing. Okay?
Nakapress na ba yun?
Yeah, the swimming pool. Let's see how it looks like. Wow, beautiful. Look at it. Look, it's a nice place. They have around 5 pools. This is 4 feet. Seriously, little bit cold with a fountain. The one. Look at it. How good is it? Seriously nice. And you have a bridge. Look at the bridge. That pool is warm. Very, very warm. Really nice. So, in this place, you have almost like a 9 sunbath chairs are there. It looks very, very comfortable. Look at it. How comfortable it is. Seriously. Wow. Very good sunlight beaming at my face right now. I had a very great time in Samba BlueWater Resort. It is a fantastic place. Right now it's almost like 11:30. We are checking out on 12 o'clock. Before that, we are going to have some lunch. Okay, let's have some lunch.
Yeah.
Happy.
Hindi mo kay buding.
Ano yun?
Yung one. Huwag mo na ilipat tayo, huwag mo na ilipat. Yan na, dyan na. Huwag mo na ilipat. Tanggalin mo. Baka mainita.
Wow, fantastic. Milkfish. See that? Milkfish.
Yeah. The lettuce.
Crispy salted pork. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.